Welcome to the next video. In this video I want to show you the Google Docstring style. So I copied again our vector2d class here, and at first I have to go to the settings again and set the docstring format to Google. And now if I want to add a docstring here for the dunder_init method, I press again 3 single quotation marks, I press enter, and here we can see the Google Docstring style. Later on, if we are creating an own Python package, we will use the Google Docstring style, since this can be easily parsed to generate a HTML documentation later on. So in the following videos, I will stick to the Google Docstring style, but if you work on your own projects, you can choose between NumPy, Swings, or Google style. So you are free to use any of these. Okay, here we see again at first we have a summary entry, so we can copy it again. Creates a 2D vector, for example. Then let me copy the description here. And next we have a section here, which is called args for arguments. There we have the parameter, or here called argument name. In the parentheses we have the type, then a colon. Here starts the description, so I can paste here the x coordinate of the 2D vector. And at the end we have the default value. And here I can enter the y coordinate. And for our raises part here, so we have here raises section again, we can pass in the description of the type error, for example. So this would be the Google Docstring style. In my opinion, this Google style is a mix of the NumPy style by separating in sections, and by the Swing style where we have less code lines. So I would say in total we would have more code lines as for the Swing style, but less code lines as for the NumPy style. But in my opinion, the Google style is the most useful, because many tools like we will use later on for generating the HTML documentation with mkdocs can use these docstrings here to generate a really beautiful HTML documentation based on our code here. If we go to our dunder_apps method, we would see here for the return values, we would have a returns section. So it's pretty similar to the idea of the NumPy docstring styles, but differs a bit, as you can see. And as I said, you can use any of these 3 docstring styles in your projects, but in the following we will use the Google Docstring style. Okay, then in the next video I will show you a tool that checks for the correctness of your docstrings. So I will see you in the next video again. Bye bye.